Hello, my name is Martin, and today I want to talk to you about GHM Academy and how it can help you as a teacher and a parent that teaches their children at home. GHM Academy is like nothing ever created before because it gives you the ability to create a classroom, but not just that, to track your students, but much more, to be able to have content that's already created according to the curriculum of the provinces. But also, even better, you can create your own things from scratch or use some of the material that we have and then modify it. So imagine that. You can do that with GHM. You're able to create all those things, track it, follow it in a classroom, and it's all structured. It looks like a digital workbook that you have right in front of you. And then the students can go through it page by page. As they turn through, they learn more and more. So you're even able to add quizzes to these lessons so that the students can actually learn even more. And these quizzes can be auto-corrected. This permits you now to take control of the information that you're feeding your students, and it's all organized in one place where it tracks everything. So I invite you to go to our website at ghmacademy.com and try it for free. That is what GHM Academy is about, putting the power back into your hands to teach the students exactly the way you want. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our MPO channel and also like this video. See you soon. Take care.